Good morning. Today is the beginning of day 4. Headed down to breakfast now, see what I can get into. Let's do it. Alright, just finished breakfast. I'm about to go out to the beach and scout a takeoff point for the Phantom. See if we can get a little beach flying in today. Okay, about to go. Fuck's all over the front of this camera. What is that? Okay, I'm here in the room, packing up my gear. I'm about to go try and venture into the nearest little beach town like I tried to do yesterday before it started raining. It might rain again today, so I'm going to try and pretty much blaze the trail right now. Just emptied my SD cards, charged the GoPro, and I'm taking my Canon and go try and get some cool shots. But yeah, let's go to the beach town. Did you guys rent that? Where did you rent it? Tamarindo, I knew it. It's how far? Half hour? How much? $30. For how long? The whole day? In Tamarindo? That's the closest probably? Okay, so $30 for a scooter for the whole day in Tamarindo. But Tamarindo's 30 minutes from the resort. So, puts me in a bit of a spot. Now, I could have sworn Braselito was just this way. It's just like home. I just got back. Let's sit down. I've been walking for like, I don't even know. So I just wandered down the beach into Braselito. Fucking awesome. Gonna order room service. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but I'm gonna sit and eat in the AC. I'm gonna get a cheeseburger from room service right now because it's all inclusive. It's fucking free. Free cheeseburgers? Yes. Can I get room service, please?
Yes,
Yeah, thank you. Can I just get the hamburger?
How do you like the meat done?
Well done, please.
Would you like cheese or bacon?
Yes, please. Cheese and bacon, just no mushrooms.
Okay, you would like the other ingredients, right? The lettuce, tomato, that is okay?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
I think that's it.
Be there in 45 to 50 minutes, actually.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a good day, sir.
You too, thank you. Boom. The ground is like flooded. Within like minutes of raining, the ground is disgusting. flooded. Supposedly they're in a drought right now though, so they need this rain. But yeah, the water is just standing on the ground.